Hello students, today we will do practice of some advertisements. So the first one is you are P. Sharma of Varanasi. You want an English tutor for your daughter. Write an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a newspaper. We have learned two types of advertisement related to this. One was situation vacant. Situation vacant, and another was situation wanted. When there is situation vacant, that's a vacant position of a company के पास जब खाली जगह है, they are giving ad, that means situation vacant. And situation wanted means when a person is vacant and he wanted a job. Now in this situation, in this question, there is nothing about situation vacant because it is not a company, and nothing a person is vacant. Instead, a student needs a teacher. So it actually belongs to situation vacant because we are offering someone a job. But in that case, we will not write the title situation vacant. Instead of wanted a lady tutor, wanted a teacher, wanted a tutor, like that. So the title, when you want a tutor of English, maths, science or any subject, then you will write the title wanted lady tutor, wanted maths tutor, like that. So here the title would be wanted lady tutor. You will start like the same way as you were doing in the situation vacant, like wanted or required a lady tutor to teach, to coach a girl of class +2 in English, in maths, science, chemistry, whatever. Only ladies with a minimum 5 years experience of teaching, CBSE school. So you can demand like that, well experienced or experienced 5 years in any school. Also mention the qualification, MA, B.Ed, particular this is teacher of English. If it were teacher of science, MSc, B.Ed, BSc, B.Ed, like that. Next, about the age should be 30 to 40 years, well versed in English and Hindi. Also he should have knowledge of Hindi, and also you can say good communication skill, like that. So these are the qualities or the features you want to demand for the teacher. Next, fee offered, like ₹5,000 per month plus traveling expenses, because he have to also travel to your house because you want home tuition. And last, contact P. Sharma, Varanasi, phone number. Also you can include one thing I have left here is the timings. Also tell about the timings for 4 to 6 p.m, 4 to 5 p.m, that should also be included. Next question, you are general manager of Coal India Limited, New Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for stable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house of the company. We have done two types of question for to let or for rent. For rent purpose, there are two type of question. One is called to let, another is called wanted accommodation or accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted. So when we are giving a particular house flat on rent, then the title would be to let. But if we want a house on rent, then the title would be accommodation wanted. So in this question, we want a house that is mentioned in the question. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for stable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. And it means you want a house, आपको एक घर चाहिए. So your title would be accommodation wanted, not a to let. किराए पे देना है तो आप to let लिखेंगे. So now like Coal India wants, or you can also start wanted like that. A stable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. You can also start wanted a stable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house for Coal India Limited. नेक्स्ट यू विल टेल मिनिमम कारपेट एरिया, दैट शुड बी दिस, कि इतना कारपेट एरिया भी होना चाहिए 2500 स्क्वायर फीट in a post South Delhi preferred. It means if it is in South Delhi in post area, then it would be preferred. Next, that should be fully furnished with small garden and car parking. There should be also car parking as well as small garden should also be there. And car parking is also should be for 2 vehicles. So these things should be also included. You can also include, as we have already discussed, like near railway station, walking distance from railway station, bus stand, taxi stand, like that. They should also be included here. And you can also offer here rent, that rent offered, how much rent you are going to offer. Suppose for such an area you can even offer rupees 30,000 per month, 25,000 per month, like that. This offered rent that must be also added here. And after that, contact call India New Delhi and also. Next one is write a stable advertisement in a national daily for Novex Corporation, a leading hosiery manufacturer, concern offering wholesale dealership, agencies and retail outlets. It means a particular company is offering hosiery manufacturer company and offering for wholesale dealership, agencies or retail outlets they want to offer. So we have not done such type of question already. So what should be the title of such type of question? And such type, because it is related to business, they are offering some dealership, agencies and retail outlets. So if such type of a question is asked, then your title should be of business, that is related to business. So the title would be business, and we will start like that, wanted, because they wanted an offer, they wanted some dealership, they wanted some wholesale dealers or the agencies or the retail outlets. So you can say wanted distributors for Novex brand hosieries from wholesale dealers, agencies and retail outlets. You can write like that. You can say attractive terms and बिजनेस डिस्काउंट इन एडिशन टू ट्रेडर्स कमीशन, कि ट्रेडर्स कमीशन तो होगा, उसके अलावा भी टर्म्स बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव हैं, एंड ऑल्सो बिजनेस डिस्काउंट्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. सो यू कैन एड सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स इफ यू आर a business company is offering such things. And you can write interested parties may contact, not much to write here, so only these things. And that's to sales manager, Novex Corporation. The next question, we have done an example of lost. Now we will do an example of found. Suppose you have found a briefcase while traveling by the AP Express. Write a stable advertisement for the lost and found column of National Daily. State the details required for your satisfaction. So the title will be lost and found. You will start instead of lost here from found. Found last Monday a black VIP briefcase while traveling to Delhi by AP Express. कि आपने जब दिल्ली एक्सप्रेस से विजिट कर रहे थे, ट्रैवल कर रहे थे, उस टाइम पे आपने एक ब्रीफकेस, एंड यू हैव मेंशन द कलर और द फिजिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन, आल्सो नेम ऑफ द कंपनी. सो यू विल नेक्स्ट टेल इट विल बी हैंडेड ओवर टू द राइटफुल ओनर, कि आप राइटफुल ओनर को ही हैंड ओवर करेंगे ये. एंड आफ्टर असर्टनिंग द पार्टिकुलर्स, आइडेंटिफिकेशंस एंड कंटेंट, कि वो ये बताएगा कि क्या इसमें पार्टिकुलर्स हैं, क्या आपकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, एंड ऑल्सो द कंटेंट इनसाइड द ब्रीफकेस. And a treat is expected. Instead of in lost and found, you only in lost you can write that a treat is promised. Instead here a treat is expected. Next you will say please contact. Here two options are, one is you can write your own address, as well as you can write the address of the police station nearby where you have deposited it, the briefcase. So you can write SHO police station by Vihar, New Delhi, that is the nearby area. Otherwise you can also write your own address. So these are the two options. Next question is, you want to purchase a flat. We have done of the actually for sale of a flat or a house. Write an advertisement for a daily Daily here means the daily newspaper that is published daily, detailing your requirements and your capacity to pay. So you will start here for purchase, like that. For purchase, needed a 3 room. So instead for sale you will start with for purchase, and you will start needed, wanted, required a 3 room flat at second floor. You will also explain where you want 3 BHK, 2 BHK, like that. Of a multi-story building you are also mentioning, that should be also a multi-story building, and that's also the place name of the place. Suppose it is Rohini. Fitted with all amenities, it means all the facilities should be there. Well ventilated should also be there, should be airy. Open balcony also should be there. Car parking at the ground or basement, that should also be there. And park faced building will be preferred. You are also saying that only the park faced buildings will be preferred for that. And also tell about the price up to 30 lakh, कि आप 30 लाख रुपए तक देने के लिए तैयार है अगर ऐसा कोई घर है तो. And after that, contact, give name and mobile number at least, if not the full address. So now we will discuss some other examples of displayed or commercial advertisements. In the last video we have discussed about one displayed or commercial advertisement. Now we will discuss some other examples, and we are taking the second one. You are the director of Bright Tutorials, an academy providing intensive postal coaching to students appearing for IIT-JEE and NEET, etc. Write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. It means Bright Tutorials नाम की कोई academy है जो postal coaching देती है students को by post, and to the students who are appearing for IIT and JEE, and also for NEET for medical purpose, and you will have to write an advertisement for the publication in a newspaper. So now how to recognize that it is displayed or it is commercial? You know very well that such type of questions are asked in, but even if the question is saying that you will have to prepare a classified advertisement, then all the matter that we have discussed in educational, then your title will be only educational. In the classified educational, will write educational, and after that you will write like Bright Tutorials offers new that is course of for the coaching of IIT and JEE, for the postal coaching, best faculty, notes prepared, so best only rupees 15,000 for the whole course. So that would be under the title of educational. But now as it is displayed, because nothing has been mentioned, and when nothing is mentioned you will have to do only the displayed or the commercial advertisement, like that, that is having more space. So you will start like, let your dream come true. It means attractive phrases, slogans should be used. Let your dream come true. Qualify for IIT, JEE and NEET, like that. So attractive phrases, slogans should be used. You can also write like, prepare yourself to crack the narrow cracking test, because it is always difficult to crack the test, that is narrow cracking test, and you must write like that. So you can also write, put in extra preparation, कि आप extra preparation कर सकते हैं, because postage notes के द्वारा. Seek expert guidance, also there is also expert guidance, and rely on, that you can rely on, आप rely कर सकते हैं, निर्भर कर सकते हैं, that is on Bright Tutorials. So everything should be written in the middle part of the page, that is in the middle, in attractive way. Name of the institute, that should be in a small box, like that. Now tell about some features, like question banks would be provided, experts guidance would be the given, extensive and intensive study material would be provided, extensive coaching would be also given, periodical test would be also there. So this would be also given. Next, admission open, that you will say that admissions are open now for engineering and medical entrance, and at last you will write that is right for prospectus. If you need the prospectus, you will write to Bright Tutorials, and also the address, full address you should be given with contact number. You can also put small boxes like 50% off for the students who score 95% and above in plus 2. And also you can mention duration is 2 years, fees is rupees 50,000 or more or less, whatever. So in that way, uh, after writing everything in a good manner, in slogans, in on features and contact, everything well, when you have written, you will have to also make box around it. And actually box must be around, you will have to draw a box around every question that belongs to 4 marks, that either it is notice or advertisement, poster or invitation. Now we will continue with the next question, and next question is here. All India Publishing House, in collaboration with International Trade Authority, is organizing 14th International Fair at Pragati Maidan for a week beginning from 23rd July. The exhibition will be inaugurated by HRD Minister Sri Prakash Javadekar. Write an advertisement for publication in national dailies. Any national daily. So have you got International Book Fair is going to be organized, and it will be inaugurated by the minister, HRD Minister Sri Prakash Javadekar, and you will have to create an advertisement for that, so that more and more people could attract towards the fair. They could go there and purchase the books. So such type of question could be asked. That type of question even could be asked in poster making. Then instead of advertisement in question, it would be said that write draft a poster for this purpose. इस purpose के लिए आप एक poster बनाइए. So here, because in the question it has been asked of advertisement, you will give detail firstly about the event, that when it would happen. So you will say like 20th International Book Fair 2020, that would happen. So you will tell about the in such a manner. You can also make a small picture. I can't draw so many books or so many diagrams. So here a small diagram of a book I have drawn. You can also make here or there in the advertisement. Like I have given the detail, like date 23rd July to 30th July, time 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. It means regularly it will be 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. venue, that is Pragati Maidan, that was already mentioned. So like that, in attractive capital letters also you can write like in left and right side, books for pleasure and books for leisure, like that. So or any other slogan, if you know, you can also write who is going to inaugurate it. So you can write that who is going to inaugurate. Inauguration by Sri Prakash Javadekar, HRD Minister of India, at 9 a.m. on 23rd July. So you will write like also that who is going to inaugurate, कौन उद्घाटन करने वाला है, कौन इसका मुहूर्त करेगा, किस टाइम पे करेगा, so that more and more crowd on that particular day. Now what will be in displaying profile, like books for all age group, कि जितने भी एज ग्रुप हैं उन सभी के लिए बुक्स होंगी. कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड CD फॉर्म्स भी होंगी, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर्स भी होंगी. टीचिंग एड्स, इधर दे आर ऑडियो और विजुअल एड्स, वट एवर. सो टीचिंग एड्स ऑल्सो विल बी देयर, ऑडियो एंड विजुअल एड्स ऑल्सो विल बी देयर. Now special, what will be the special attraction? Meet the author. Even you can meet the author. Communicative sessions. During the communicative sessions, you can even meet the author of some books. Get signed copies, only first 500. You will have to write first here. That get signed copies of first 500 only. कि जो first 500 books हैं किसी भी author की, there will be sign of the author. 15% डिस्काउंट ऑन ऑल परचेज, जितने भी परचेज करेंगे उस पर 15% डिस्काउंट होंगे. नो एंट्री फी. यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक सच टाइप ऑफ अट्रैक्टिव बॉक्स इवन. नेक्स्ट, द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. यू विल राइट लाइक हियर आर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स वर इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड अथॉरिटी, एंड ऑल्सो गिव द हेल्पलाइन और कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. And here sponsored by All India Publishing House. It means all publishing houses are sponsoring this, and the organizers are international trade authorities. And after when you have written everything, you will also have to make a box. So in that way you will write an advertisement that is related to displayed or commercial one. So we have learned all types of advertisements now. Related more and more practice needs to be done, that is related to the classified advertisements as well as displayed advertisements. That's all for today. We will continue in the next.